Hello you guys, this is a quick video to guide you into making part E of your isometric pictorials practice. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Take a look at your paper and get acquainted with your measurements. And so we are going to go ahead and get started with our pencil tool. Place it on the origin. And I have here that we are going to go and rest the line on the green axis, and we are going to key in 2.5 inches. If you cannot see the line, it means that you're going to have to zoom in and bring this closer. Position this in a way that you can have a better view as if you were looking at this shape from above. Coming down from the end point on the red line, we are going to draw a line that is going to be 1.5, and we're going to go ahead and close that shape. And now we're going to position it so that we can look at it closer and draw some of our curves and circles. To identify where you're going to draw the circles, you want to measure a distance of 3.75, and you can do that using the measuring tape. So from here to here, and then from this end point so I'm using the measuring tape from here. We're looking for that 3/8. Okay, and so that is going to give you an idea where to draw your circles, and also where to draw your arc. I'm going to go ahead and use the 2-point arc, and I'm going to go from this point to this point. And now I'm going to add just making sure those lines are good. And I'm going to draw my circles. I'm going to use the circular shape. Place that right there. And I need to type .125, enter. 0.125, enter. Make sure you reference your drawing. Okay, make sure you reference your drawing. your picture has a lot of information for you in terms of your measurements that you should be using. I'm going to limit myself here on this video because you really have to get into the practice of doing your own math. So if I am quiet and I am not verbalizing this part, it's because this is on you. You need to figure this out. Okay, so if you pay attention, then this kind of gives me an idea of what that part E looks like if I'm looking at it from above. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the things that I do not need. And I have a circle here that went away. Okay. And so what are some things that I don't need? I don't need this side. I can get rid of this measurement lines that I just created to aid me. All right. I am going to use my push-pull button, and I'm going to come here into the circles, and I'm going to erase them off a tad. And I'm going to use the eraser to get rid of them, and it's going to leave a clear space there. I'm also going to use my push-pull tool to erase this part, and it's supposed to come up at a 0.25. And if I look, then I have those circles there. All right. And so now I need to erase this part to 1.75. Okay. And this is how my shape is looking so far. There are some lines that I can get rid of. There's other lines that I can simply hide. If I cannot get rid of them, I can just hide them. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to work with this part right here, and I know that I need to use the arc tool to create that curve on the top, and I need to have a circle right here in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that. Again, I am not going to verbalize the measurements for you because hopefully you guys will get that on your own. And now you have part E. And then I'm just going to say, hopefully you guys are using the correct measurements. Again, you need to have your isometric pictorial practice sheet so that you can reference to it as you need. You can use the bucket, the paint bucket, to paint your creation, your shape. I recommend you explore this tool because we will use it. It's really cool, and I think it's fun. So when you're finished with this, the expectation is that you are going to explore the toolbar that is here, that you're going to get familiar with all of these different items that are here for you to use, all the different tools that are listed up here. Use the text box, type your name on there. And then also get familiar with the measuring tape. Make sure you use it. Simply explore SketchUp. Get familiar with it. We will continue to use this as we progress in class. I hope this was helpful to the creation of part E. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day.